किन डर आको यहाँ त पासमा परेको त्यसरी हामी गएर हातले निकाल्नु
बल्सी हालेको छ मान्छेले नि बल्सी हानेको छ
चराले त हैन नि
म बल्सी नि हालेको छु
निकाल्नु पर्छ त्यसलाई काट्दिनु पर्यो लगाएर त्यसलाई काट्दा केको लागि बल्सी हान्छ अहिले लगाएर यस्तो राम्रो यो चाहिँ बहुत यो त लोपोन्मुख जातको चरा हो नि त बल्सी यहाँ परेछ ल
बल्सी सो मासु बल्सीमा हालेको छ
प्लिज you see let them free you see someone maybe get it traps yeah is it trap just put you are doing very good job brother you are doing very good job please pull it just catch no problem just hold it yeah then you see what is it
come on
yeah no problem you can do it
come on
just you see oh very slowly take care yeah oh
wait
can I
wait
yeah
leave it
I'm catching just you see oh, slowly
Batam
slowly yeah. Oh very difficult yeah
very difficult
we are doing very good job
sorry
oh thanks God just I met this type of bird is in trouble you know
very difficult
but please yeah. And how can I remove it?
It's very difficult.
Just hold it. Oh, very difficult. Yeah. Thanks God. Come. You see, we are doing very good job. So
life because of life.
Because of life. Please, come. This bird is endangered bird, you know.
Right.
Come. Oh, thanks God. You see, now he is free. Yeah. In these areas, especially South Sudan at Bor, we can see this type of bird. And some days before, I had read one article which was published from Kathmandu Post. And maybe 22 years ago, it was seen in Nepal, the Eastern Tarai belt, and then after it was disappeared from the Nepal. Only there was mention that India's 1-2 part of India and Cambodia only such type of bird can available. But I am seeing every day and reporting maybe this place, especially this place. Inside the UNMISS compound at Bor, there is some greenery and ponds, and we can see water everywhere. And I think these birds are living here. No, these birds are not threatened by any other people because of we are international police officer, police personnel, army personnel living here. So that bird are protecting from our side. So today we have seen such condition. It was in trouble. I think someone make it, what is this? And it was caught, and we came here and get them free. Thanks God. And you see, everywhere you can see such type of bird. Oh my God, how wonderful! At least bird is free, and this type of bird, very difficult to get anywhere because of climate, and this bird is listed as a endangered species. We can see the trees, such type of bird are living here, and you see everywhere you can see, and bye. And such type of birds can found this place. Another one is also is trapped. Oh, very important place, and only this place where they are surviving. Otherwise, very difficult to survive. You see, okay, you can see such type of bird around this pond. This is the place where you see just around the areas, and I heard that such type of bird's name is Adjutant. Adjutant. I don't know what is Adjutant, but like a duck, big bird. This is very much big.
From Thailand, sir.
Thailand, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about such type of birds? Big bird?
Malibu.
Malibu.
Bird.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
is it available in Thailand?
No, it's very rare in Thailand.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost extinct now.
Okay. Okay. So you cannot see in Thailand.
Never.
You know this type of bird. You know, just I heard that bird lover, specialist of bird. Someone doctor also working here in Sri Lanka.
Yes, sir.
Medical level 2 hospital, and he told me such type of bird is endangered species and we cannot get anywhere.
Yeah.
I think this is the safe place
For
this
them.
is
For bird.
for bird,
Okay,
because you
bird.
know they are always
Insecure.
favoring
Yeah.
the like this environment, water and greenery place, and they are not threatened by other people.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you see we can see many birds.
Yes.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir. You make this video?
Yeah. Hi, brother. Do you know such type of bird?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen in your country,
No.
Korea?
No.
No. Okay, so just behind your barrack, we can see a lot of this type of bird here. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. You see, we can see such type of bird everywhere in the top of the tree. You know, such type of tree. But you know, okay. You can see everywhere. Place is very favorable for them, getting easily water and even fish. We can get more fish this place. Hi. Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. Fine. I am Dr. Rohit Amaravitarana, Consultant General Physician, working in Kandy Hospital, Sri Lanka, but now I temporarily joined for 1 year, SRIMED Level 2 Hospital, UN SRIMED Level 2 Hospital in Bor.
I am sure you are very much interested to have watch and take the picture of the such type of birds in this area. So, have you got some ideas about such type of birds?
Okay, thank you very much for that question. And it's my hobby. Usually, my hobby is study wildlife. Apart from my this job, and I have seen up to now 40. Yes, I have identified up to more than 95 species of birds here in this premises.
95.
More than 95 bird species.
Okay.
So if you see this tree, there are,
which one?
I can identify more than 4 species of birds.
4 species.
You can see the big one is, we say,
yeah,
Marabou stock. Marabou stock.
Marabou. Its name is Marabou.
Marabou stock.
Okay.
And that is the birds having large wing space, wingspan of the bird. And you can see the black ones, the medium size one.
Okay.
That is called African open bill.
Okay, why this type of bird only can found in these areas? Have you got some ideas about it?
Exactly, I can say because abandoned food here.
Abandoned food here.
Because now dry season, if you go to the outside, most of the places dry up, and even the civilians, they burn the
they are threatened.
And this is the only place you can see pocket of water collection and the tall trees also. Then that is the possibility there are more birds here.
This is the reason.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I met another person from, I think he is from Nepal, and both of them from Nepal. And would you have some comments about this type of birds only can get this premises of the United Nations mission in South Sudan, Bor?
Yes, I am here since 2012.
That's
there
good.
There are many birds within the UNMISS compound.
Yeah, okay.
In Bor. So these kinds of birds I never seen in Nepal.
Nepal.
Yes, and I never saw the picture even in our zoo. There is not like this birds in the Nepal. So this is a very special place. The birds are so many birds are here, and these birds are very much surrounding, and many numbers. Yes, and very kinds of birds are here. So these birds are very precise birds in our country.
In our country, yeah. But I already have reported about this bird. About 22 years ago, such type of bird species was found in the Kositapu, eastern part of Nepal. Then after totally we cannot see from Nepal and other part. Like only Cambodia and reporting that about this bird, only Cambodia and some part of India, but we are seeing such type of bird everywhere. Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you very much. At least we rescued such type of bird was entrapped, and luckily our brother Mr. Nepal and me was walking the evening walk surrounding areas. Just we saw one bird was entrapped and it was freed. So I became very much happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.